everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tina with Tina's Inspired Art, and right now I am just covering it with a couple layers of some copper paint, and I'm just painting it on because I just want this to be my background. I was gonna do this one with some gold leaf like I did my last one. I'm just waiting for that last one that I did to dry, and then I thought, well, let me try one that I just paint with the copper. Right, so I think I've got this canvas pretty well covered. For my color choices on this cute little copper color canvas is going to be some earthy tones. I think my colors for this are going to be very complementary. I've got a nice hunter green. I do have a little copper in here. This is a very viridian green, I think it's called, and an iridescent green blue. So let's see if this will look really pretty on this copper background, and we'll get going on this. And I'll have it looking this direction. All right, so we'll start off with this nice hunter green. And we'll start about right here, kind of like my last one. Go up like that. All right, so that's the start of my design. Green with the copper background looks so sweet. And I'm just going to throw a little bit of copper right on top of this. Just a little bit in here, so I don't have enough. I may have to get my other bottle. That one's my other. Okay, so here's the copper I'm going to put right on top of that green. Just kind of want to swirl that copper into it. I'm going to touch of this, little bit of this burnt umber. Gives it a little depth. And then this will brighten it up a little. You just don't need a lot of paint on these little canvases, so very curious how this is going to look. bit of a clump. All right, I think those are good color choices. I'm gonna add in just a touch of this iridescent white. And now we can blow it out. Hopefully it'll blow out really pretty. Looking good so far. Do you think I need to add in just a touch of this? It's a little scarce right there. It was a little bare, so I just need to blow that out a little bit better. All right, I think those colors look good with that background, and I will do the botanical technique to it and make it all come together. Yeah, I think we'll just get right into it. I'm gonna use a really tiny end to my paintbrush. I think it's looking pretty cute. In some places I can see the copper coming through too, so that makes it kind of interesting. Oh, she's looking quite cute. See that copper shining through? It's really cool like that. I think the design came out really pretty too. I think when it dries, I think it'll really shine because I do have that copper in there, and I have the iridescent in there as well. Pretty little flower coming to life. Yeah, I think she's looks really pretty just like this. I'll touch up a couple of the leaves that I see. But not much. I think this paint is not moving really. Super pretty. I will take you down for a close-up and stay till the very end because I will show you the dried results. Let me know what you think of these little bitty paintings. Oh, cute. All right, I'm going to call this one done. I'm going to take you down for a close-up so you can see the details, and then I will show you the dried results at the very end. All right, here we go, guys. Get you in for a nice close-up on this one. That copper color background, she's shining through. Oh, I think she's gonna come out really stunning. Such a cute little piece there. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so. It really helps me. And I can't wait for you guys to see my next video. Coming soon, guys. I'm having so much fun. Thanks for being here, and I hope you're having a beautiful week. Love y'all. Bye. Hey, so I'm back again. Here are the dried results of this beautiful little painting I did. The colors look so pretty and the composition is just perfect on this little canvas. I hope you like it. Leave me a comment down below and make sure you've subscribed, and I'll see you next week. Bye for now.